If you can figure it out. It's $20 if you can do it.
All right, if I can figure this out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
Nope.
Bam!
All right, here's the deal.
Okay,
you see it says there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Yes.
In that order.
Yeah.
You can only move one piece of candy. Just one. But you have to make it go 1, 2. You have to reverse it. It has to be 4, 3, 2, 1.
I can only move one piece of candy.
One piece of candy. Any one you want. Any way you want.
So
that.
You're telling me I need to make this 4 over here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. You're telling me I need to make it 4, 3, 2, 1.
Exactly. But you can only move one piece of candy.
And it can be done.
It can be done. Definitely doable. Absolutely can be done.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It can be done.
I know how to turn this into 4.
How?
I just like this.
Well, that's
4, 3, 3. That's not working.
That's not it.
Okay.
You only move one piece.
Jeez. Is it a riddle?
It's a puzzle. You can figure it out. It's very doable. Our 5-year-old grandkid did it.
Did he really?
Yeah.
But he's smart.
He's a lot smarter than you are. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I'm like one chromosome away. I qualify for a little bit of government aid.
Mm-hmm.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, one piece.
Yep. It's going to be 4, 3, 2, 1 is what you have to have. You got to just reverse it. Right now it's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's got to go 4, 3, 2, 1. You only move one piece.
I know. I'm thinking. I'm looking at all my options. So 4, 3, 4. This needs to be a 3.
Yep.
Or this needs to be a 3. So this right here. I got 4, 3, but this needs to be.
That's 4, 3, 3. Yep. That's not right.
It needs to be 4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's got to be 4, 3, 2, 1. The exact opposite.
Did you get it, Alyssa? Were you able to get it? Mm-hmm. You got it? Did you know it? But did you get it before you knew it?
It took me a minute, but I got it.
It took you just a minute? How long have I been doing this?
Right over 3 minutes.
Jeez Louise. And how long before your grandkid?
Oh, he did it in
He
like.
was faster than me.
Yeah,
He
did it in like 2 seconds. Can you show you? Can you do it?
No, I can't.
Look.
Can you give me a hit?
No, you can move one piece is the only hit you get. You ready? I'll show you what you do.
Okay.
This one here. You take this one. You put it there. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm so stupid. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You move 4.
Now that becomes 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, let me try it again. I think I got it. I'm gonna try it again. I got it.
Now? That's all.